Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust a VW Bug carburetor. Start by parking the car on level ground, engaging the handbrake, and ensuring the engine is warm to operating temperature. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Inspect for fuel leaks and clean the exterior of the carburetor. Verify choke and throttle linkages move freely. Use a tachometer and follow the idle and mixture adjustment steps carefully to restore smooth running. Prepare thoroughly before adjusting the carburetor by warming the engine and verifying ignition, timing, plugs, and vacuum integrity. Remove any air cleaner that limits access and ensure the choke is operating normally. Label linkage and springs if removal is needed for cleaning. Keep a clean work area and note original screw positions. This reduces guesswork and helps you return to baseline settings if the adjustments need refinement after road testing. Begin idle and mixture tuning by setting the idle screw to the baseline and adjusting the mixture screw a quarter turn at a time while monitoring RPM and engine response. Listen for the smoothest, most stable idle and aim for the specified idle speed with a tachometer. After initial bench adjustments, take a careful road test to ensure throttle response is crisp and there is no stumble under load. Recheck screws after a short drive to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.